is a seductress. She is a poem. She is a lingering fragrance. She is fragrant nature. I need to find a place where I could touch the serenity of my soul. I need to find a place where my mind could find deep tranquility. And then I discover her. One is drifted to a nostalgic getaway when one walks on the streets of this pristine village, tucked away amidst the blue lagoon, the tranquility disturbed occasionally by the call of birds, the winding path, rich greenery around to savor. There is a sparkle in the air, a fragrance that embraces you, carries you on and on. My cottage is a sleek blend of traditional aesthetic design and modern grandeur. I see the waters beyond. My eyes take in the scenery, and then again that whisper from deep within me that made me smile. I had come home. This is as close as I'd come with nature, with water, and with myself. Palm trees standing tall like sentinels of yore, they swayed in gentle harmony, the breeze on my skin. Enticing waters of the pool, a few strokes, I cool my senses. A welcome drink that soothed, I found my smile back, almost as if I'd come back like a long lost friend. Lie back and let the sun spread a glow in your soul. In a modern spa, with an ancient tradition of rejuvenation, with natural herbs and oils and caring hands, I let myself be pampered. It was a gourmet's delight that awaited me in the restaurant facing the water. Served with fabulous care, I had to retreat to the water's edge with a book, my spine bent supine. With fine food, great treatment, and enchanting surroundings, I heard that voice again that told me that I had come home. In the boat, on the water, I felt the quiet, and in a moment of surreal imagery, vivid hues, streaks of a setting sun, a myriad colors, painted an artist's delight on a natural canvas. Pictures of unforgettable delight were embedded forever in my mind's eye. As I sank into the softness of my bed, sleep caressing my eye, I prayed that this would never end. And yet, that voice from far away reminded me that I had come home. Come home to fragrant nature. Let nature softly nudge you to simply be you.